1 afoot, adjective.
पैदल, चलता, पाँव पाँव.
In preparation or progress, happening or beginning to happen. Example, plans are afoot for a festival. Synonyms, going on, happening, around, about, abroad, circulating, current, stirring, in circulation. Antonyms, completed, ended, finished. 2 clampdown, noun.
यलगार करना, दबा देना.
A concerted or harsh attempt to suppress something. Example, a clampdown on crime. Synonyms, suppression, prevention, stopping, stamping out, crackdown, limitation, restriction. Antonyms, let go, loose, loosen. 3 entice, verb.
वरगलाना, तरगीब देना.
Attract or tempt by offering pleasure or advantage. Example, a show which should entice a new audience into the theater. Synonyms, tempt, allure, lure, attract, dangle a carrot in front of, appeal to, invite, persuade. Antonyms, repel, repulse, turn off, disenchant. 4 acutely, adverb.
तेजी से, सख्ती से, शिद्दत से.
With reference to something unpleasant or unwelcome, intensely. Example, the whole situation was acutely embarrassing. Synonyms, extremely, exceedingly, very, markedly, severely, intensely, in the extreme, deeply, profoundly. Antonyms, slightly. 5 plank.
तख्ताबंदी, इमारती लकड़ी का टुकड़ा.
A long thin or flat piece of timber used especially in building and flooring. Synonyms, lumber, platform, slab. Antonyms, rise, ascend, clock out. 6 despondent, adjective.
पस्त हिम्मत, मायूस, नाउमीद.
In low spirits from loss of hope or courage. Example, she grew more and more despondent. Synonyms, disheartened, discouraged, dispirited, downhearted, low-spirited, in low spirits, hopeless. Antonyms, hopeful, cheerful. 7 stagnation.
जमूद / बेहरकत.
To stop developing, progressing, moving. Synonyms, doldrums, stagnancy. Antonyms, boom, rise. 8 assert, verb.
हक जताना, इकरार करना, दावा.
State a fact or belief confidently and forcefully. Example, the company asserts that the cuts will not affect development. Synonyms, declare, maintain, contend, argue, state, claim, propound, submit, posit. Antonyms, deny, disavow, disclaim, negate. 9 afflict, verb.
दुखी होना, मुसीबत.
Of a problem or illness, cause pain or trouble to, affect adversely. Example, his younger child was afflicted with a skin disease. Synonyms, trouble, bother, burden, distress, cause trouble to, cause suffering to, beset, harass. Antonyms, comfort. 10 decrepit, adjective.
शर्मा, शिकस्ता, खस्ता हाल.
Worn out or ruined because of age or neglect. Example, a row of decrepit houses. Synonyms, dilapidated, rickety, run down, broken down, tumble down, ramshackle, worn out, derelict, in ruins. Antonyms, sound. 11 awry, adjective.
गलत, तिरछा.
Away from the usual or expected course, amiss. Example, I got the impression that something was awry. Synonyms, amiss, wrong, not right, up. Antonyms, straight, symmetrical. 12 rein, noun.
इनान, लगाम, इख्तियार.
Keep under control, restrain. Example, with an effort, she reined back her impatience. Synonyms, restrain, check, curb, constrain, hold back, keep in check, keep under control. Antonyms, free, continue, encourage, let go. 13 provocative, adjective.
इश्तियाल अंगेज.
Causing anger or another strong reaction, especially deliberately. Example, a provocative article. Synonyms: annoying, irritating, exasperating, infuriating, provoking, maddening, goading. Antonyms: soothing, calming. 14. Countenance, noun.
हुलिया, चेहरा.
A person's face or facial expression. Example: his impenetrable eyes and inscrutable countenance give little away. Synonyms: face, features, physiognomy, profile, facial expression, expression, look. Antonyms: oppose, confront, discourage, discountenance. 15. Defunct, adjective.
मुतवफ़ी, मरहूम, मुर्दा.
No longer existing or functioning. Example: the now defunct Somerset and Amp, Dorset railway line. Synonyms: disused, no longer in use, unused, inoperative, non-functioning, unusable, obsolete. Antonyms: working, extant. 16. Snub, verb.
धुतकार, छिड़क देना.
Rebuff, ignore, or spurn disdainfully. Example: he snubbed faculty members and students alike. Synonyms: insult, slight, affront, humiliate, treat disrespectfully, rebuff, spurn, repulse. Antonyms: note, pay attention, praise, regard. 17. Dissonance, noun.
नाहमवारी, बेजोड़, अदम इत्मीनान.
Lack of harmony among musical notes. Example: an unusual degree of dissonance for such choral styles. Synonyms: inharmoniousness, discordance, atonality, cacophony, harshness, stridency, grating. Antonyms: harmony, similarity. 18. Horrific, adjective.
हैबतनाक, खौफनाक.
Causing horror. Example: horrific injuries. Synonyms: dreadful, horrendous, horrifying, horrible, frightful, awful, terrible, fearful, shocking. Antonyms: inoffensive, unalarming. 19. Grapple, verb.
कुश्ती, पकड़.
Engage in a close fight or struggle without weapons, wrestle. Example: passers-by grappled with the man after the knife attack. Synonyms: wrestle, struggle, tussle, brawl, fight, scuffle, clash, combat, battle, close. Antonyms: let go of, release. 20. Lurk, verb.
घात लगाना, छपकर बैठना.
Be or remain hidden so as to wait in ambush for someone or something. Example: a ruthless killer still lurked in the darkness. Synonyms: skulk, loiter, lie in wait, lie low, hide, conceal oneself, take cover, keep out of sight. Antonyms: come out. 21. Enormously, adverb.
बेपना, बहुत ज़्यादा.
To a very great degree or extent, considerably. Example: quality of life varies enormously from one place to another. Synonyms: very, extremely, exceedingly, exceptionally, especially, tremendously, immensely. Antonyms: moderately. 22. Cohort, noun.
हमआहंगी, जमात, हम उन लोगों का गिरोह.
A group of people with a shared characteristic. Example: a cohort of civil servants patiently drafting legislation. Synonyms: group, grouping, category, categorization, grade, grading, classification. Antonyms: adversary, antagonist, attacker, bad person. 23. Alienation, noun.
अजनबियत, अलग थलग.
The state or experience of being alienated. Example: a sense of alienation from our environment. Synonyms: isolation, detachment, estrangement, distance, separation, severance. Antonyms: agreement, connection, charm. 24. Paradigm, noun.
नक्श अव्वल, नमूना, मिसाल, इब्तिदाई.
A typical example or pattern of something, a pattern or model. Example: society's paradigm of the ideal woman. Synonyms: model, pattern, example, standard, prototype, archetype, ideal, gauge, criterion. Antonyms: follower, unworthy, expand, increase. 25. Succumb, verb.
मजबूरना तस्लीम करना, हार मानना.
fail to resist pressure, temptation, or some other negative force. Example, we cannot merely give up and succumb to despair. Synonyms: yield, give in, give way, submit, surrender, capitulate, cave in, be overcome by. Antonyms: resist, conquer. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. Like, subscribe, share and comments.